Right, let's take a look at a couple of sentences from the audio. We used to be quite close. We would go to the beach, we'd play tennis. Let's take a look at the structure and why we use this or that structure. For example, here, we used to be quite close. What do we use here? Yeah, of course, we use the subject plus used to and plus, of course, infinitive. But why? Are we talking about the present or the past? Yeah, of course, it's about past. Action, past action, which happened only once and it was really, really short, or an action which was true for a really long time. Yeah, the second, the action which was true for a really long time. Past, habit, which was true for some time. Or an action which repeated several times in the past. Okay. Yeah, and for that we use used to. That was a positive sentence. We used to be quite close. What about a negative one? Of course, we didn't used to be quite close. It will be like that. To plus infinitive. Yeah, what is missing? What is missing? Yeah, D. D is here. So when it's a negative sentence, used to goes without D. If it's a question, the same story. Did you used to be quite close? Used to without D. All right, let's take a look at the continuation. And it's, we would go to the beach, we'd play tennis. What do we use here? All right, subject, then would, and infinitive. And here, we'd play tennis. It's just a short form of would. Apostrophe D plus infinitive. These two actions, are they about the present or the past? Yeah, they are about the past. Are they details? Of course they are. Details about repetitive past or singular action. Repetitive past. Repetitive actions in the past. And we usually speak about these details after used to. So we start with some sort of general information, like we used to be quite close. And then I continue by talking about details using would. We would go there, we would do this, kind of details. Here, do I sound nostalgic? Does the lady from the audio sound nostalgic? Absolutely. She's like, yeah, we used to be quite close. We would do this, we would go to the beach and so on. Yeah? So, nostalgic actions. Okay. Are they true now? Are they close now? Unfortunately, no. So it's not true now. What about used to? The same. Not true now. What about verbs? After used to, what can we use? Okay, be. Be, it's action or non-action? Yeah, it's non-action. Can we use only non-action verbs after used to? Not only. We can use all verbs after used to. Action and non-action. Let's write it somewhere here. Action and non-action verbs. What about would? Go, play, only action verbs. Only action verbs.